yung bake shop or bakery na ang pangalan Hot Cookie dito sa Castro. Dito nyo matatagpuan yung Titi Pops and Coochie Pops. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Silip ako. Ayan siya, oh. Ayun. There. That's the cookies I'm talking about. Nawakan yung titik niya. Shit. Yes. Picture ako siya. Oh, di ba may nakatayong nakalabas yung ari doon sa likuran ko. Nagulat ako. Umiinom ako ng kape, paglingon ko may nakatayong lalaki na robot-kubad. Ano ba yun?
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your day
kayo. Dito ako sa Castro bumili ng kape at saka itong salted peppermint bark, 2 piraso sa isang packet. I love peppermint chocolate. Trying ko yan later. Kape muna ako. This one right here. As usual, my favorite caramel macchiato. Ito lang naman lagi in-order ko. It's either caramel macchiato or white chocolate mocha. Excuse the eye bag. Kagigising ko lang kasi lamig dito sobra. Ayan. Konti lang naman ng caramel na nilagay. Sabi. So, mo-order ako nung nung ano bang tawag dun? Yung sugar plum donut. First time kong susubukan, out na kaagad. Wala na. Ano ba yun? Gonna wear some sandwich. The buffalo chicken. Before I go home. Provolone, please. I don't feel like cooking tonight, so this will do. I decided it's healthy, so and I can just eat the half and then save the half for later, like breakfast. So I can save, that way. Got them cookies. This one looks good. The raspberry cheesecake. That's the one I'm buying right there. That's a new my usual here is the steak and cheese and the tuna, and then the black forest ham and the sweet onion chicken teriyaki. Those are my faves whenever I come here. Oh, everything please, but not the jalapeno. Thank you. And those veggies, so delicious. I love veggies. I used to eat a lot of Subway sandwich before, and then I stopped for a while. When I used to go to the gym, this is the sandwich I. Oh, and can I get a sweet onion, please? That's it. Thank you. There we go. Here we go, foot long, and I just got the bus right on time. It's about to leave when I arrive at the station. So thank God I don't have to wait because it's cold today. Hey, Powell Street, the cable car route and station all the way down there near Market Street. And it goes all the way up there and goes around and around and around and then goes back here. Powell Street. Yeah. There you go. And I'm gonna go check it out. The inside of Bloomingdale's. See what's going on in there right now. I don't know why people loves to play loud music, like super loud. It hurts, you know, the eardrums. God, that was so loud. One of my favorite store. Going to the upper floor, under the dome. All the restaurants are here. The restaurant collection. There you go. They got the Coco Sueño. All right. These are the Christmas tree that hang upside down. Yeah, look at that. Ain't gorgeous? It used to be a MY or My China restaurant. It's closed right now because of the lockdown. Those Christmas trees, I don't know if they're gonna light it up or it's just like that. This is the first time they put a lot of Christmas tree under the dome. Usually just this one right here. Those crystal drops looks like a raindrop. gonna go around 60 degrees, 360 degrees. It smells so good with all these pine trees. There you go. Bango. It smells so good. Nice. So sad because of this pandemic, a lot of restaurants, good places to go and eat, dine in, dine out, are closed. This one of them is this one, the My China. I hope they will reopen as soon as the pandemic is over, but I'm kind of doubting it because look, there's no sign anymore. They took it off. I hope not. This is one of the good restaurants to come here under the dome of Bloomingdale's. It's gonna be sad if they closed for for good. Hate this pandemic. Well, everybody does, but man, our lives change so drastic because of this. Look at the mall, it's so dead. I mean, no pun intended, but the mall, oh my god. Right now, I'm the only one here, I think, in this floor. It used to be so busy in here. Golly. I'm gonna go down and check out a few, store that's open. Yeah, as you can see, hardly people in here right now. Maraming salamat. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat at God bless. Happy holidays.